What's going on, friends? We are checking out this Ford F-150 Lightning in antimatter blue metallic, presented by Bell Ford. So let's start with the front. With 2 clicks, we can open up our frunk. It is wild to think that this is where the engine used to go, but not anymore. We have all of this space. What's even cool too is if you're on your job site, we have electricity. Another nice thing about the Lightning is it's actually shaped like a truck, so you get all of the truck things that you normally would want to do with your truck. Stepping inside, we have the 12-inch infotainment screen. What's really cool about this one too is that you can move your shifter down, and you can open this up, and all of a sudden now you have a table you can write down your notes, or maybe you have to put a laptop here and you're working. It's all just built around being more productive, which is really, really cool. Let's also check out this seat. You know, your stitch lines are absolutely perfect. What's interesting is it's kind of this gray color. It's a mixture between black and white. You don't have to deal with the cleanup of white, but you also don't have to deal with burning yourself like black here in Arizona. Very interesting, and I really like it. If you're ready to begin working out a fully electric pickup truck, come check out the Ford F-150 Lightning here at Bell Ford. Better come quick because these things are selling fast.